Hello everyone, welcome back to Dominion. So in this video we are going to talk about Replicon Off-Campus Recruitment Drive 2021. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is the job role, job location, what is the starting date and the ending date of this test, how you can enroll in that and where will you get the link for this, and what going to be your CTC, each fresher is eligible or not. All these questions we are going to cover in this video. And please don't skip this video, because if you skip any detail you will get some confusion, and I don't want that after ending this video you will have any doubt. And before starting this video I'll set a like target of 20, so make sure you like this video so that it will help me to achieve my like target. Now we will start the video. Hiring fresher for intern product support. Firstly we will see this is the test is live, means now test is live and you can enroll in that. But before we see some other information like job role is intern product support, job location is going to be Bangalore, CTC is 3.3 lakh per annum. But what is the distribution of the CTC I'm going to discuss about. Each fresher is eligible or not? Yes, definitely fresher is eligible here. What will be the qualification? That is the most awaited questions. So the qualification is BSc, BCA, BE, BTech. If the candidate must done their bachelor degree in BSc, BCA, BE and BTech, they are eligible. Talking about the work shift, then all the candidate who will be selected in this trial will have to work on night shift, and the timing I will discuss. Test starting date is 12th of April 2021 6 p.m. and the test will end at 19th of April 2021 12 p.m. Talking about job description, here is the complete detail of this, how you will be work on that, what is the job responsibility, roles, everything is defined here. You can read it out here. Along with this you can join a Telegram channel, you will get the link here, so that all the latest information, job regarding information and all the latest information that is required for you, you will be get at very first. Talking about the requirement, you candidate must have the bachelor degree in science and engineering. If you have some programming language or coding knowledge, then it will be an advantage for you, that is a plus point. You must have a very strong written and verbal presentation and communication skill, that is very essential, already written here. Talking about excellent interpersonal skills and inclination toward technology, and also candidate must have some basic and advanced MS Office knowledge, means candidate must be intermediate with MS Office. Now shift is night shift, the candidate must have work on the night shift and the timing of work is 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. Talking about eligibility, then educational qualification we have already discussed. BSc, BCA, engineering graduate can apply here. If you have done your bachelor degree in 2018, 2019, 2020 and if you have done your engineering or BCA in this discipline like CSE, IT, EC, Triple E, you are eligible for this. And the criteria is you must have 60% or above throughout your journey, like 10th, 12th and graduation at least you achieved and maintain this threshold value, that is 60%. Pay package is 3.3 lakh, but it is not from the day one. After 6 months it will be 3.3 lakh per annum, but before 6 months, means initially 6 months you will be get paid 21,500 per month for the first 6 months of the internship, and after that you will get 3.3 lakh per annum, that is approx 27,000. Now the most popular question, how you can apply for this. So here you will get the test link. Once you click on that you will redirect to the Replicon official portal. Here is the test is live, you can see that. Here is the starting date, ending date and duration. The test is live, you can enroll in this and the test duration is 30 minutes. You just need to click on the proceed to test. Once you click on that you will redirect to the new page in which you have to fill some your basic information like your name, email ID, phone number, your basic educational qualification, your college name, year of graduation and all the basic detail you have to fill in that. Here you will get the one more button, that the job description. Once you click on that you will get all the information that we have discussed earlier, like requirement, night shift, eligibility, CTC, job location, everything is written here. So here is the link, you can get it here, and the link will be provided in the description box. When you click on that, you will be redirect to this page. You will get all the information, and at the below of this post you will get the test link. You will click on that and you will be redirected to the in this Replicon official portal. And along with this, if you still don't apply for IBM off-campus drive, you can also click here to apply for this. And ServiceNow recruitment drive is also live. Fresher is eligible and the pay package is 10 lakh per annum. To apply in this recruitment drive, you have to click on this button, that is click here. Once you click on that, you will be redirected to the another post in which you will get all the information that is required before applying for any job opportunity. And if you like this video, I hope this is helpful for you, a very important information I brought for you. So if you like this video, please like the video, comment below if you have any doubts, share with your friends. If you feel if your any friend can get benefit from this video, please share with them, and make sure you subscribe our channel, because this type of videos, job opportunity, interview questions, company related content, all this information is regularly uploaded in this channel. So make sure you subscribe our channel so that you don't miss any update. And this is done for this video, and we will get you soon in the next video. Thank you.